This is not over when it comes to open, my friends. This is not over. In fact, this video that I'm making right now, when the stock is sitting at approximately $6 per share, is extremely reminiscent of a video I came out with about a month ago. You guys ready? Watch this. Now, this is when the ticker was sitting at approximately, this is on July 22nd, when the stock was sitting at approximately $3.21. As you guys can see over here, listen to what I said. Not over when it comes to open. This is not over when it comes to open. Now, yesterday, bam, right? Now, listen. It ran from 3 when I said that all the way upwards of $7.50, right? So is it gonna run from $7.50 all the way upwards of $15? I don't know. We'll see, right? Now the reality is, guys, it's really funny because my videos are very, very, they're very divisive, right? As in a way where there are a lot of people who disagree with everything I say about open, and there are a lot of people who agree with everything I say when it comes to open. So what I want to do right now is I actually want to take a vote. I want to take a vote and figure out who is bullish on open and versus who is actually bearish and has potentially a short position on open. So what I want you guys to do is hit the thumbs up button if you're bullish and hit the thumbs down button if you're actually bearish. And we're going to go ahead and take kind of a little bit of a vote when it comes to our very own viewers. So do that for me, and then we're going to come up with the results in the next video. All right, so very good. And of course I can see how many people have hit the thumbs down button because YouTube has now removed the thumbs down button, the number of people that can actually like. Then it's showing how many people have thumbs down the video. Okay, so do go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Now let's get talking about open. So what's happening to open, guys? The price volatility which we're seeing today, all right, the price volatility which we're seeing today is really just a healthy pullback. And I think that if you go over here and when you look at the chart on a daily perspective, right, we got to run from $1.70 all the way upwards of 4, then we pulled back to 3. Then we ran from 3 to 6 pretty much. Then we got to pull back down all the way back to 4. Then now we ran from 4 to 7, and now we've gotten a pullback down to 5. So I think that this pullback, it can come all the way down to potentially this $5 level, and the stock is actually bullish still. But if we break below 5, then it's going to be in a way, it is going to look a little bit more bearish, and it can come all the way down to this $4 level, right? But I think that in the long term, this is a company which does have good fundamentals. Now, is it my number one choice of a stock to go long on based off of fundamentals? No. Why no? Guys, this shit was trading at 50 cents not a long time ago. It doesn't mean I'm not bullish on it, but I still understand that there are better companies for long-term holding than open right now in the markets for a better bargain, okay? For a better bang for your buck. It's just what I think. Call me crazy, it's just what I think. Mind you, again, I'm someone who came out here at $3 and I told you guys it's a great buy. It's a great buy, right? When it was at 6, it broke 6, I told you can go ahead and test 8. Now, it didn't actually quite test 8. It went to $7.30. So I guess in a way that was a bad prediction from my end. But I think that, it's still not done yet, and we could potentially be seeing the test of $7 levels again from this ticker sooner than later, right? Now, when it comes to a stock like open, you guys got to understand that volatility is the name of the game, right? This isn't a company that has a multi-freaking, tens of billions of dollars in market cap, even though it operates at that level and it's actually profitable already, right? When we go over here, we see that the company only has a market cap of $5 billion. That still makes it relatively volatile, right? To massive swings. And a 10% dip after going on a freaking, 50% rally. I mean, come on. The stocks need to breathe. Stocks need breathing room, okay? Is what they need. Now, I don't know, I'm like tripping. I'm like, why is my shirt crooked? But it's really just my microphone that's making it look like that. So let's go over here and, screw it, guys. I'll do it like this. There we go. Okay, very good. Right. So when it comes to open, this is far from over, and I think that you guys shouldn't really panic. Now, the reality is that I hope you guys did actually manage your position sizing correctly and manage your risk correctly, because remember what I told you guys, right? This is a very high risk, high reward setup. When it comes to high risk, high reward setups, what you don't want to be doing is you don't want to be using a lot of money with a very tight stop loss. The number one problem I see a lot of traders make is they use their whole portfolio and then they use like a 10% stop loss. And then the stock like open, it drops 20%, it rips up 50%, but guess what? On the 20% dip, their stop loss is hit, they're destroyed. So that's not what you want to be doing. You don't want to be moving like that. You do not want to be the guy that's here getting destroyed like that, all right? So for me, when it comes to open, guys, this is far from over, and I'm still optimistic on the ticker. And that's it. That's what I think. Once again, if you're bullish, thumbs up. If you're bearish, thumbs down. Now, if you guys want to trade alongside me every single day, guys, check out our Discord. We have day trailers, swing alerts, option alerts. Today, we did have an Octo alert in our community. Listen to what I said.
Good morning, gang. When it comes to Octo, there is a dip buying opportunity right now at around the $17 levels. What I will do is that I will go ahead and pick some up between under 17-ish and I would set my stop loss at 14.5, and then I will look for a
bam. Right now, let's take a look at Octo. What happened? I mean, if you haven't been living under a rock, you know what the hell happened to Octo, right? When we go over here, let's take a look at Octo. So I posted out at 344. At 345, the stock came all the way down to 1550, and it ripped all the way upwards of $83 later throughout the day, right? So our Discord members, some of them made an absolute killing, right? Let's go over here. So first of all, our Discord comes with a 2 weeks free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. It gives you access to my day trailers, swing alerts, option alerts, you name it, we got it alerts. And you know, if we go over here, that's how much. Many thanks, $1,200 today. Thank you, Top Trade Academy. Octo, 40% gains. $2,600. All this Discord does is print. Bam. I appreciate you, brother. First day in the group. And thank you guys for literally a new member. Bang. VC at Gmail killing out. Octo, my man, brought in 8K over here. Now, we did have another alert as well on XAir, but listen to what I said about XAir.
Above the $4.40 levels, guys, I am bearish on XAir. Now, that doesn't mean that it doesn't have potential to go all the way upwards of the $6 to $7 range. It just means that the probability of it having a downside is a lot higher than it being having the upside, right, that we predict. So for that reason, guys, I'm staying far away from XAir. And it really just has to do with their massive overhead supply and their history of, you know, being a freaking massively dilutive company.
Guess what XAir did today? Let's pull up XAir. Dilution. Destroyed. Killed their own stock. As predicted. Right? So if you guys want to get market updates, get daily Q&A from me, you know, you guys can trade alongside me pretty much every single day. Check out the Discord. Again, 7-day free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. And right now, we did continue our previous sale where the next 10 members that join, they do get access to the Discord for a 50% discount. So there's really never been a better time to check out the Discord and give it a shot. Good into the end of the month. Learn the importance of risk management. $14,000. Took 6K out, by the way. So $20,000 at Sam Machon helped me surpass my job. Amazing, man. Guys, I am so proud of what we've built here. And, you know, there's a reason why I'm always talking about it. I'm always inviting you guys to check it out, is because I truly know that what we offer here is the best bang for your buck you could possibly get from a trading community, okay? Lessons, one-on-one access, alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, multiple mentors. Truly the best trading community out there. Josh, it's nice to finally have a good week. $20,000 in a single week. Amazing, man. Amazing. God bless. God bless, God bless, God bless. So give it a shot, guys. Maybe pause it and read this. Shout out Kevin. 6x when I'm going to join this Discord. My goal was 1K to 5K to reach in less than a month. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. Joining the Discord has been life-changing. Thank you. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. Anyways, I look forward to meeting you guys in Top Trade Academy. Thank you for watching. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.